Dear friends, hello. Meaning of camel pose. Camel pose is called Ustrasana in Sanskrit language. The Sanskrit language word Ustrasana is made up of two words, Ustra and Asana. Ustra means camel and Asana means posture. In this posture, the body looks like a camel, hence it is called by this name. In terms of health benefits, camel pose is a very important yoga practice in sitting postures. Camel pose is such a yogic exercise which plays an important role in removing anger and many other physical disorders. Precautions while doing camel pose. People having high blood pressure problems should not do this asana. People suffering from heart disease should avoid doing it. People suffering from hernia should not do this asana. If you have severe back pain, practice this asana only after consulting a doctor. Patients with sciatica and slip disc should practice in the presence of a yoga guru. Never do this asana with force or jerk. Keep the thighs straight while bending back. In the final position, the part from neck to knee will remain straight. While coming back, don't come with a jerk. Those who have complaints of hernia, they should also not do this asana. Method of doing camel pose. It is very easy to do camel pose. The very simple way of doing camel pose is like this. First of all, you sit on the floor on your knees or you sit in Varasana. Keep in mind that the thighs and feet should be kept together, the toes should be towards the back and should be fixed on the floor. Keep the distance between knees and feet about 1 foot. Now you stand on your knees. While inhaling, bend backwards and now place the right palm on the right heel and the left palm on the left heel. While bending back, take the neck back comfortably, there should be no jerk. In the final pose, the thighs should be at right angles to the floor and the head should be tilted backward as far as possible. Take the breath slowly and comfortably and release it. The weight of the body should remain equal on the arms and legs. Maintain this posture according to the strength of the body and stop. Then while leaving a long deep breath, slowly remove the hands one by one from the ankles and return to the starting position. Sit in your starting position Varasana. That way you have completed one cycle, done it once. In the beginning, do 1 or 2 cycles, then gradually you can increase it to 5 to 7 times. In the final position of the asana, the heels should be upwards. Then bend backwards from the waist and try to hold the heels with both the hands. Turn the neck backwards and feel the stretch in it. Benefits of camel pose. There are many benefits of camel pose. If you do it carefully with the method mentioned above, then you can get maximum benefits. Some of the important benefits of camel pose are as follows. Camel pose for belly fat. By regular practice of this yoga, you can reduce your belly fat. If you do the exercises with precision, you can reduce belly fat to a great extent. Camel pose for diabetes. By practicing this you can control diabetes to a great extent as it stimulates your pancreas and helps in the secretion of insulin. Camel pose for the lungs. This is a great asana for the health of the lungs and protects you from problems related to the lungs. Reduces anger. This yoga practice helps to keep you mentally calm while reducing anger. Camel pose for the eyes. Camel pose is very useful for people with vision disorders. Camel pose in back pain. Practicing under the guidance of a yogacharya helps a lot in back pain. This asana is a panacea for back pain. In neck pain, camel pose gives a complete stretch to the organs of the neck region, due to which this asana also helps in reducing your neck pain. Camel pose is beneficial in digestion. Due to circulation and contraction in the intestines while doing this asana is very beneficial in digestive problems and also reduces constipation. For beautiful face. Camel pose should be practiced for slim waist and beautiful face. Benefits in slip disc. It is helpful in removing slip disc and sciatica, but should be practiced under the guidance of yogacharya. Removes menstrual problems. This asana is beneficial in removing menstrual problems in women and is beneficial for the reproductive system. With this asana, the knee, bladder, kidney, small intestine, liver, chest, lungs and the part of the neck are affected simultaneously, so that by exercising the above-mentioned group of organs, their health is maintained. It is beneficial in diseases related to breathing, abdomen, calves, feet, shoulders, elbows and spine. This posture helps in the prevention of abdominal diseases, such as constipation, indigestion, acidity. This asana is also beneficial in throat-related diseases.
You can get amazing and wonderful benefits from the yoga, so definitely make to yoga a part of your daily life. Always be happy, keep smiling. I pray to the God that you progress progressively in every field of your life. Write in the comment where are you from, and what you want to know about the next video of yoga. Subscribe, if you are new to the channel, and like and share the video too.